while lowering the body to Mother Earth at the Muslim Cemetery. Amir, Abuja Muslim Forum, Imam Lukman Ahmed urged families, friends and relations to see what happened as Allah's wish. He said the late Salimatu was a devoted Muslim faithful wife and a good mother worthy of emulation. The Muslim faithful had earlier prayed for the repose of the soul of the late mother of four before taking her to her final abode. Late Salimatu Idowu Suleiman died Thursday morning after her car was crushed at the Chikakwere axis of Kubwa by a Kaduna-bound train.
This is a very sad incident. The community is crying.
We quickly rushed here after receiving the distress call, and on arrival, we were able to meet some of the eyewitnesses who were around when the sad incident happened.
Until her death, the late Salimatu was a principal accountant with the finance department of NTA Channel 5 Abuja. She is survived by her husband and 4 children. Hawagimba, NTA News.